We have a new situation confronting farmers and growers, especially for citrus in Grenada. We have detected and identified a new disease named the citrus greening disease. It's a bacterial disease. It's caused by a bacteria, and the end result is decline of citrus, eventually death of trees. So from that you'll have loss of production and of course loss of revenue for farmers. What the farmers or persons will see, because it's affecting whether you're a farmer or just a home backyard grower, you will notice yellowing of your leaves. Eventually, in some situations, as the disease take hold, you will also see premature fruit drop, and the lower end of the fruit will remain green, hence the name citrus greening disease. Its spread, its main means of spread is by an insect called the citrus psyllid. It can also spread from infected propagated material, but the citrus psyllid is the main means of spread around Grenada. Currently, we have done a couple of surveys, the last one being February, March, and it spread mostly across the entire island. There may be small fields, small pockets where you might still see unaffected trees, but in general it's across the island. The infection can be in the plant for up to 2 years before you actually see any visual symptoms. It was first confirmed just about a year ago. We would have sent leaf samples to an institution in Belize that confirmed. We would have sent probably 7-8 samples, and we got positive results from 3. As the tree loses vigor and the bacteria takes over the entire plant, eventually it will become useless or not produce or produce fruits that you cannot use. So in terms of approach towards management, we are advising that persons remove trees that are affected, especially if it's in advanced stage of you're already seeing death of trees, it's drying back, or fruits are beginning to drop, or it's fully yellowed. You can remove those trees, cut those trees, and not necessarily burn, but just cut and remove those trees. Those that are in early stages of infection, you can still do like good cultural management. You can fertilize and do treatments like spray, so that if the insect is around, you kill it so that it doesn't get a chance of spreading to other trees. So you can do pesticide application. These are the 2 main control methods for now. The third option is use of biological control, that is using another insect to feed on the vector. There are wasps available. Even we are also in search, because we think it's possible we already have another insect feeding on it, but we haven't ascertained that one for yet. But we are also being in contact with an outside agency that is willing to supply us with some of those natural enemies, small quantities that we will have to put in the infrastructure for reproducing ourselves. So these may be more long-term control, but for immediate response, we will definitely go the way of cutting out of trees, or advising persons to cut out trees, and also apply pesticides, taking all the necessary precautions with pesticide application, of course. If it's fully bearing and about to harvest, of course you won't advise to use pesticide in those situations. But for now, trees are in flowering or trees are just beginning to have small fruits, it's safe to apply pesticides at this stage.